Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a Nike basketball classic shoe. Nike's been killing it with the returns of the Nike classic retro shoes. This time around, we're talking about the Nike Air Total Air Max Uptempo, man. OG colorway, that black and that bolt. I know you guys are excited to see this shoe, but before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and also help us get this channel to 1,200 subscribers. Right now we at about 1,150 subscribers, so help us get to 1,200. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And also, if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you guys can head over to the website that we got. The website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Air Total Uptempo. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, the shoe is primarily black with hints of neon green and a little bit of 3M silver on it. Let's start right here at the toe box. Right here on the toe box, you have black suede right here. You have suede here with a little bit of silver on the inside. You have a black mesh tongue going all the way up to the top. You have on the top of the tongue, you have the lime green Nike check right here with a little bit of basketball emblem in the back. Slide over here to the side of the shoe. You have leather right here with a lime green patent leather swoosh right here. You have a little bit of patent leather right here in black also. You have suede coming up here, the side of them where the shoestrings and everything goes at. You have a neon green airbag right here. You slide over to the back panel. You see the little 3M in the black here. I don't know if you guys can see that. You have a black pull tag here with the Nike basketball logo here. You have the hologram Air right here. This is one of the big pops on the shoe that a lot of people like when they first came out back in the days. You come over here to the side of the shoe is more of the same. You have the black leather here. Then you have the lime green swoosh. Lime green airbag. You have a black Nike swoosh right here, man. I think Nike did a great job on bringing this shoe back. They've been doing a great job of bringing all the retro basketball shoes back that they've been bringing out. These are not slated to come out until December 10th, so hopefully you guys can get a pair. You know, I was fortunate enough to still have the shoe from 2009. This is the 2009 pair, so I figured before the shoe come out, I'll just bring it to you guys so you guys can get a look and see if you guys really want the shoe. And this shoe always been fire to me. I only wore them probably about, I want to say since 2009, probably about like 3-4 times, man. So as you guys can see, they still crispy. I might pick up another pair, I'm not sure, because these are still in great condition, or I might just use that money to get another shoe. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, man, but Nike got it right bringing these back. I think Nike did a great job of bringing this shoe back, and all other shoes, man. If you disagree, leave in the comments below, man. And man, I remember David Robinson wearing these. I remember Reggie Miller wearing this shoe back in the days, man. And I remember like when I first not when I first got back into sneakers and everything, but I remember like in 2005, 2006, we wanted this shoe to come back out because a couple people still had pairs from like 99 or something like that, so they were still wearing them, or so they found somebody who had dead stock pairs of these and they were wearing them. I remember over here in New York, a lot of people were wearing them. I was like, man, where they getting these joints from, man? Like, there's no way in the world. I know they ain't bring them back. And then in 09, they came back. I remember they bought these. They bought the Griffies, the Freshwaters. It was another color of these that they came out with. I think it was the black with the silver with the burgundy swoosh. They came back out with the white and navy blue color. That's the color that Reggie Miller was wearing. I think they got it right, man. I'm happy that they're bringing this back, but y'all know what time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to give it a buck with y'all. keep it a buck with y'all like I always do. I'm giving these, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies. Great colorway to come out with for the wintertime, all black with a little bit of neon green. You know, you can do a lot with this, man. I'm very happy with this shoe, man. Thank you, Nike, for bringing these back. If y'all disagree, leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.